Imagine a world where the line between a high-end photography camera and a Hollywood cinema rig simply ceases to exist. For decades, we have been forced to choose. If you wanted the world's best autofocus and 45-megapixel stills, you went with a flagship mirrorless. If you wanted the legendary color science of a cinema camera, you spent $50,000 on a RED or an ARRI. But in the spring of 2026, the walls have finally come tumbling down. This is the story of the Nikon Z8 II. The camera that isn't just an update, but a hostile takeover of the entire imaging industry. If you are watching this, you know the legend of the original Z8. It was the baby Z9, the camera that proved Nikon was back on top. But the Z8 II is something entirely different. It is the first fruit of Nikon's landmark acquisition of RED Digital Cinema. In this video, we are going to explore why this device is a Z9 killer, the secret behind the internal 12-bit RED code RAW, and how the all-new EXPEED AI processor is making manual focus feel like a relic of the past. If you've been considering the Sony A1 II or the Canon R5 Mark II, stop what you're doing. By the end of this video, you will understand why the Nikon Z8 II is the only camera that matters in 2026. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. For the Z8 II, Nikon hasn't just increased the megapixels. They've re-engineered the way light is captured. We are looking at a 45.7 megapixel fast-scan stacked CMOS sensor. This isn't just about resolution, it's about readout speed. The Z8 II effectively eliminates rolling shutter distortion without the massive cost of a global shutter. This allows for a completely silent, electronic-only workflow that can handle the fastest sports in the world and the most demanding cinematic pans with zero distortion. But the real revolution, the thing that has the industry in a state of shock, is the integration of RED IPP2 color science. For the first time ever in a hybrid body, you can record internal 8.3K RED code RAW at 60 frames per second. This isn't a watered-down codec. This is the real deal. The same 12-bit RAW data used on major motion picture sets is now available in a camera that fits in your backpack. When you open these files in your NLE, you aren't just adjusting exposure. You're manipulating the raw DNA of the light itself. This is the RED revolution that Nikon promised, and it's here. Now let's talk about the brain. The EXPEED AI engine. We've all seen AI in cameras before, but the Z8 II takes it to a visceral new level. It features what Nikon calls deep intent predictive autofocus. The camera doesn't just track an eye or a face. It analyzes the physics of the scene. It understands where a bird is likely to fly before it flaps its wings. It recognizes the specific movement patterns of a basketball player's crossover. In the US market, where wildlife and sports photography are high-stakes professions, this zero-miss technology is a paradigm shift. It feels less like a tool and more like an extension of your own nervous system. But how do you keep a cinema-grade monster cool? This has been the downfall of every 8K hybrid camera until now. Nikon has solved this with a revolutionary graphite thermal management system. By utilizing a passive cooling structure derived from high-end aerospace components, the Z8 II can record 8.3K RAW